Complications to Panama. We got a little critter in the car. He's gonna fucking jump on me. Fuck, I'm hitting it from the back. Shit, boys. Fuck, they're fast, dude. Now it's like hidden under the sea.
Did you get him?
No.
Is he still there?
He like now he's like hidden too.
No, bro, this is the worst. I'm not riding this back. I'm getting in the.
Dude, you know how that thing's been in there the whole time. Let's just go. Alright, Lance, what are we going to do, huh? We are heading into town right now, currently about to meet up with Panama Dive School and go fucking check out an old wreck from the 1700s. So it should be pretty fucking sick.
Alive but not living, I'm trying to get with it. The size of my dick is not rising. I'm thinking of finding new women. The void that I'm feeling, the gaps that I'm bridging, the pistol I'm gripping got me thinking about the old times. I bet you rappers need
Hey, where's... We need a water taxi. Where's
Yeah, we got everything here.
We need it to the Panama Dive School.
Okay, good.
Right now?
Yeah, now.
Alright, let's do it.
I was always on the front line, underground, underdog, cannot be confined. Sit back, relax in a black Cadillac on a 22, screaming fuck you out the window to the people I don't fuck with. The same hoes I grew up with. They never wanted to suck dick, now they want me to cuff them, stuff them with a combustion. Back in the day, how you were so reluctant. Now you looking at me like you looking at your husband. Yeah, yeah, why you switching up? You said you was never the one for me. Had me running in circles and chasing the cat. I see how the tables have turned.
I know about filthy.
What's up, man?
Hey, what's up, and all that good stuff. Yeah, you got it. Hello. You got it back.
Right at the end there.
So, welcome to Discover Scuba Dive. So all of you guys have never tried before,
Yes.
right? Right. Excellent. That's here to the BCD. Go ahead and hit the red button, Ashlyn. All the way. Very good. Okay. The shipwreck, the top of it you can snorkel very easily. It's only about 5 meters on the highest point, and then deepest point is about 10 meters.
How many feet is 10 meters?
That's like 33 feet. Is 10 meters?
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
How many feet out of that?
Yeah, easy. Actually, it's a really good site to practice free diving at.
Go ahead.
You guys ready to go scuba?
Runners, I feel athletic. Run that shit up by my partner up head. Blowing this cash, it was time we ain't had it. Got 21 bitches, I must be a savage. Cooking in the kitchen, it don't smell like acid. Pouring this high tech, I'm sipping relaxing. Bounce in the lake on the fucking the baddest. Dipping in plastic, put him in the casket. I wipe this nose quickly, pass him a napkin. Got an addiction in love with this fashion. Praying for all of my bros like we careful. Last time I had, cause you always be careful. Niggas ain't eating, start capping, you ain't fasting. Can't get no sleep, cause my life is all action. See how shit happen, I made it in rapping. Go your pouch. Rats in a quarter ounce. 2 accounts. Large amounts. Shop around. Designer down. Dribble drown. Dribble drown.
Just got back from scuba diving. Kyle, how'd you like it?
Man, that was awesome.
Dope.
Once in a lifetime experience.
Good shit. What are your thoughts on scuba diving, Ashlyn?
Sick, bro.
Dope. Karsten? Yeah, that was badass.
If you wanna look fly as fuck on the beach side, go buy some merch that's right on our website. Everything's on sale right now for $19.99 or less.
What are we about to do, Tommy?
We about to slay some fish,
Yo,
baby.
absolutely murder some fish.
Let's go fishing today.
Yeah.
When you're big later. Or Tony or whatever, I can like dive in like with a gun. Like,
Yeah. We got a top, boy. I go crush some fish.
No way, nothing.
I'm going to get some pescado. Fish daddy going to get some fish, boy.
And we throw it down the grill and... I thought it was feeling a little heavy.
like that bad boy, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't let that get into the motor, bro. Pull that this way.
Yeah, you perfect right now.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, I think it is a mackerel.
Yeah, it looks like a mackerel.
Yeah, it is a mackerel. Fuck yeah.
I saw the spots on it.
You got it? Yeah. Alright, let's get him back out there.
Man, he looks like a little bitch.
No, that was slant right to the boat.
Nice, Tom.
Yeah, buddy.
Break that one.
Dude, that was what, 5 seconds?
Watch the hooks, bro. Watch the hooks.
Yeah, boys.
You.
Tom.
Pare.
Did the babies. Crawfish for dinner. They're so beautiful though. Those colors.
Little baby bug.
Eran de ese tamaño allá.
Pequeño. It
Hey,
was
what?
walking like it was going right under a ledge, walking, I went thunk and shot it real quick.
You want to fillet it on the island, or you want to fillet here?
If we could bring it back,
Sí,
So-
podemos filetear allá.
or we could play it here, it'd be,
Aquí es mejor.
or we could do it here real
If
quick.
you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow.
Buddy. Let's go. Put him back.
Alright, let's see what we got going on over here. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's the launcher on there.
This is wild, boys. This is how we should be doing it. This is how we should be doing it. Chopping the garlic, boy. You can't have enough garlic in that sauce. You know.
The tongs.
Yeah, we can get the tongs.
Oh,
you got out of the rice? Yeah.
Alright, let's go lay down some fish.
Get it.
Gracias.
You got my brewski.
Yeah, where's your brisket? Shit, my bad.
Alright, let's go lay down some fish.
Do it.
Bro, want me to hold the fish?
Yeah, I got 2 things.
And it?
Definitely might. And just get it going quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
By
already
the time
there.
we get them all on there.
Yeah.
Damn.
With it being this hot, I mean 5-10 minutes on each side.
Yeah.
No, that's flaking apart. That's how you know it's perfect. I got the fucking grip.
Beautiful. Some whoopa. Whoa.
Fuck that fish, we got eggs, bro.
Yeah, let's get it.
And then I hit it from the back. I see a little sack. Just slacking, knocking, shacking, shocking shreds. Person sitting there in the shed, trying to get head from Ashland.
She's asking.
Now we chillin', just vibing.
And she's asking, can we please go back to the cabin? I've been trying to get you to fuck me on top of the napkins.
Doesn't shine. Dude. Okay. Bluff can be fun.
You can tell it's a completely different type of swell. A little short period.
Tommy Luck with Surfline. Let's get barreled.
Exactly what I said.
Yeah, boy. Every thumbnail is in.
Oh my god, it's a little puppy.
Oh shit. Was that a dog? Fuck it, I'm gonna keep going. Stick on my mind. On my mind. All my life I have been searching for you. My darling, you shine. All my life I have been searching for you. My darling, you shine like the moon. No, no, no. No, no, no. Sweet. Hola.
Keep thinking.
Shitty day at Bluff, but we're on lockdown, so I think we're gonna go get a couple. Actually looks pretty fun for a shitty day at Bluff.
Get the sign that says killer waves. Alright, Bill, what's going on?
Currently boiling some fucking water because I got urchin up in this bitch. I'm just throbbing. Feels like volcanoes running through my fucking foot. Lava in the veins.